Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to another episode of Easy English Conversations. I'm Chris, and I'm here with my amazing co-host, Jessica.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy you're here with us. Today's episode is super useful. We'll talk about daily routines in English. You'll learn how to say what you do in the morning, from waking up to starting your day.
Exactly. We'll help you sound natural when you talk about your daily life. So, grab your notebook, or just listen and repeat with us.
And if you enjoy learning English with friendly conversations, make sure to follow or subscribe. It really helps us grow this podcast and bring you more fun lessons.
All right, let's get started. Let's talk about your morning routine in English.
Okay, Chris, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
The very first thing? I wake up. Sometimes I wake up at 7 a.m., sometimes later, if I press snooze.
The famous snooze button. So our first phrase is I wake up at 7 a.m. Let's repeat I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now you try. Say it out loud with us. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. Then after waking up, what do you do?
I get up. That means I leave the bed. I sit up, stretch, and stand.
Yes, wake up means you open your eyes. Get up means you leave the bed.
Let's practice together. I wake up at 7. I get up at 7:10.
Perfect. You can also say I get up early or I get up late.
Jessica, are you an early bird or a night owl?
I'm an early bird. I love mornings. I get up at 6:30, make coffee, and open my window.
That's nice. I'm not an early bird. I need my coffee first.
So our next phrase is Rama, I need coffee to start my day. Let's repeat that. I need coffee to start my day.
Good job, everyone. You're improving already.
Now let's talk about what we do after we get up. For example, I brush my teeth.
Yes, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I take a shower.
Good. Let's say it slowly together. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower.
These are great daily routine verbs. Brush, wash, take.
And here's another one. I get dressed. That means you put on your clothes. Example, I get dressed after I take a shower.
Let's repeat that. I get dressed after I take a shower.
Good job.
What about breakfast? What do you eat, Jessica?
My breakfast is simple. I eat a banana and some yogurt. Sometimes I drink tea.
Nice and healthy. My breakfast is usually toast and coffee. I say, I eat toast for breakfast.
You can also say, I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Or I skip breakfast. That means you don't eat breakfast.
Let's practice a short conversation. I'll be A, you be B.
Okay, what time do you get up?
I get up at 6:30. And you?
I get up at 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Nice. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I have coffee and toast. That's great practice. Listeners, you can pause and try it too. Play both parts, A and B. It helps your fluency.
Okay, now let's move to what happens after breakfast. Jessica, what do you do next?
After breakfast, I check my phone and read the news. Then I go to work.
Great. The verb go is very common. You can say, I go to school, I go to work, I go to the gym.
Let's repeat, I go to work at 9 a.m.
Now, some people work from home, so they can say, I start work at 9 a.m. I work from home.
Exactly. And if you're a student, you can say, I have classes at 9 a.m. I study English in the morning.
Let's do a quick review. Listen and repeat after us.
I wake up at 7. I get up and brush my teeth. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. I go to work at 9.
Awesome. You're doing great.
Remember, you can use then and after that to connect sentences. Example, I wake up, then I brush my teeth. Or I eat breakfast. After that, I go to work.
Let's say it together slowly. I wake up, then I get up. I brush my teeth. After that, I take a shower.
Perfect. You're speaking full sentences now. Very nice.
Let's review today's key phrases before we go.
Good idea. Here they are. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up and brush my teeth. I take a shower and get dressed. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. I go to work at 9 a.m.
Well done. You've learned how to describe your morning in English.
Yes, you can now talk about your daily routine easily. And here's a challenge. Record yourself saying your morning routine in English.
That's a great idea. You can say something like, I wake up at 7. I get up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Keep it simple and clear. Small steps every day. Make big progress.
Before we finish, we have a fun question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments or message us. We love hearing from you.
Thanks for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, every day you speak, you improve.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.